Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Diablo 4 stuttering and freezing problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, click here and then go to Windows Update Settings and then check for updates and install all the updates that you can find in the settings. And now go to GeForce Experience and then go to drivers, check for updates, and now make sure to install the latest update for your graphics card, and that's it. After that, restart your PC, and after starting your PC, open Task Manager and then close all the applications that you don't need, applications that you know what they do, and that's it. Just right click and end the task, and that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.